What if your home could feel like a fresh ocean breeze every single day? Crisp white, coastal blue, and effortlessly airy. Stay with me, because this Serena and Lily inspired tour might completely change how you think about calm luxury at home. Walking through the front door feels like stepping into a breezy coastal escape where every detail whispers welcome home. The console table isn't just furniture, it's where you'll drop your keys and smile at fresh blooms in that perfect blue vase. Sunlight pours through tall windows, dancing across the warm oak floors that run throughout your entire home. This isn't a showroom, it's the beginning of your daily retreat, wrapped in natural textures and calming neutrals that make guests feel instantly at ease. This living room knows how to dress up without feeling stuffy or untouchable. Sink into that cloud-like linen sofa with a good book while afternoon light filters through sheer curtains, casting the softest glow across woven rattan chairs. The layered textures tell their own story. Smooth driftwood meets plush fabrics, crisp whites play against ocean blues. It's formal enough for entertaining, yet cozy enough for barefoot Saturday mornings with coffee. Everything here invites you to actually live, not just admire from afar. Here's where real life happens, sprawled across that generous sectional with movie snacks and throw blankets everyone fights over. The family room doesn't try too hard. It just wraps you in comfort with its relaxed slip-covered pieces and forgiving jute rug. Those wicker storage baskets hide the remotes and chargers, keeping chaos beautifully contained. Natural light floods every corner, making even lazy Sunday afternoons feel special. This space gets you, understanding that elegance and everyday comfort can absolutely coexist in perfect harmony together. Dinner parties feel effortlessly elegant when your dining room does half the work for you. That whitewashed table has seen countless celebrations, from birthday cakes to holiday feasts, always looking gracefully underdressed in the best possible way. Fresh hydrangeas in a simple white bowl prove you don't need fussy centerpieces when you've got natural beauty and great light. The rattan pendant above casts a warm glow during evening gatherings, while daylight shows off those coastal blue details on every chair, making casual Tuesday dinners feel just a little bit special. Your kitchen isn't just beautiful, it's actually designed for people who love to cook and gather around the island. That butcher block countertop on the center island will develop character with every meal prepped, every batch of cookies rolled out with little hands helping. The coastal blue backsplash catches morning light perfectly, energizing your coffee routine before the day begins. Everything feels fresh and uncluttered, from the gleaming marble counters to those charming rattan pendants swaying gently overhead, creating a space that works as hard as it looks good. Think of this butler's pantry as your kitchen's elegant sidekick, quietly organized and always ready for action. Those glass front cabinets show off your prettiest dishes while wicker baskets keep the everyday stuff tucked away but accessible. The marble prep counter gives you extra workspace for arranging appetizers or staging tomorrow's dinner ingredients. Natural light from the window makes even mundane tasks like organizing spices feel surprisingly pleasant. It's functional storage that doesn't sacrifice an ounce of coastal charm, proving utility can absolutely be beautiful too. Morning light transforms this breakfast nook into the sunniest spot in your whole house, practically begging you to linger over coffee and warm pastries. Built-in bench seating with those striped cushions means everyone squeezes in together, elbows bumping, conversations flowing easily around the whitewashed table. It's casual enough for weekday cereal, yet charming enough for lazy weekend brunches that stretch into early afternoon. Fresh flowers in a simple pitcher add that just-picked garden feel, while those bay windows frame your backyard view like a constantly changing painting worth watching. Working from home feels less like obligation and more like privilege when your office looks this serene and inspiring. Natural light pours across your desk, eliminating that harsh screen glare while keeping your energy up through afternoon meetings. Those floor-to-ceiling bookshelves aren't just storage. They're your personal library showcasing favorite reads mixed with coastal blue accents that spark joy during video calls. The jute rug underfoot and rattan drawer pulls add organic warmth, preventing that sterile corporate vibe. Productivity meets tranquility here, making deadlines somehow feel less daunting and more doable. Your master bedroom isn't trying to impress anyone but you, wrapped in layers of soft white linens that practically whisper, "Stay in bed just 5 more minutes." That upholstered headboard cushions lazy Sunday mornings spent reading or scrolling, while striped bedding adds just enough visual interest without overwhelming your sanctuary. Rattan nightstands bring natural texture without fussiness, and that velvet chair by the window is perfect for morning coffee or evening unwinding. The vaulted ceiling with white beams makes everything feel expansive and airy, like sleeping in a coastal cloud. This walk-in closet makes getting dressed genuinely enjoyable instead of chaotic rummaging through piles you swore you'd organize last weekend. Everything has its place behind glass doors, or in those gorgeous woven drawers that slide smoothly every single time. The marble-topped island isn't just beautiful, it's where you lay out tomorrow's outfit or fold fresh laundry while admiring how organized your life suddenly appears. Natural light from the window means colors look true, patterns coordinate perfectly, and mornings start with calm clarity instead of frantic searching. Designing a kid's room that grows with them requires balancing playfulness with that timeless architectural shell you've maintained throughout the house. The gingham bedding and blue storage baskets bring cheerful personality without committing to cartoon characters they'll outgrow by next year. That reading chair nestles perfectly by the window, creating a cozy spot for bedtime stories or quiet afternoon adventures in chapter books. Oak floors and white walls keep it sophisticated enough to evolve from toddler years through teenage territory, proving kids' spaces can be fun yet beautifully designed. Your guest bedroom makes visitors feel genuinely welcomed, not like afterthoughts shoved into a makeshift space with mismatched furniture from other rooms. Layered white and blue bedding invites weary travelers to sink in and exhale, while those rattan nightstands add thoughtful coastal charm. Everything whispers, "We prepared for you," from the fresh linens to the comfortable bench for resting suitcases. Natural light fills the room with warmth, and the neutral palette ensures guests feel peaceful rather than overstimulated, guaranteeing they'll actually want to visit again soon. Movie nights just hit differently when your media room balances cozy comfort with sophisticated design instead of dark basement vibes. That sectional could seat half the neighborhood, piled with coastal blue pillows and soft throws for marathon viewing sessions. Rattan cabinet doors on the built-ins keep equipment hidden while maintaining your home's aesthetic flow beautifully. Even with the blackout shades open, natural light reminds you this isn't some dungeon. It's an elegant entertainment space that works for family film nights or watching the big game with friends who'll never want to leave. Your backyard terrace extends the coastal elegance outdoors, blurring those lines between inside comfort and alfresco living under open skies. That outdoor sectional might be weatherproof, but it's just as inviting as anything indoors, calling you outside with morning coffee or evening wine. The pergola overhead provides dappled shade while jasmine climbs toward the sky, filling warm evenings with intoxicating fragrance. The oak-toned decking flows seamlessly from your interior floors, creating one continuous living space that celebrates indoor-outdoor flow. This is where summer memories are made, barefoot and unhurried. When you layer coastal blues, crisp whites, natural textures, and tons of sunlight, you're not just decorating, you're creating a breathing space that restores you daily. Let these Serena and Lily inspired ideas guide you to a home that feels lighter, calmer, and beautifully you.